the Italian government finds itself embroiled in a deepening scandal involving allegations of illegal surveillance targeting journalists and activists. A national security committee is currently investigating whether Italy's secret services violated the law by deploying sophisticated spyware to monitor these individuals, sparking outrage and raising serious questions about the government's commitment to press freedom and citizen privacy. At the heart of the controversy lies the use of Paragon spyware, a powerful surveillance tool designed for use against criminals. However, allegations suggest its deployment extended far beyond its intended purpose, raising the specter of a state-sanctioned campaign of surveillance against those critical of the government. The implications are far-reaching, threatening to erode public trust in the institutions responsible for upholding the rule of law and protecting fundamental rights. Government officials have offered a defense, claiming the spyware's use was authorized by the government and the Attorney General of Rome's Court of Appeal. They maintain the intelligence agencies acted strictly within legal parameters, conducting a preventive investigation into illegal immigration. This explanation, however, has been met with significant skepticism, particularly given the absence of any public transparency regarding the specific targets and the scope of the surveillance operation. The denial that the spyware was used to target Francesco Cancellato, editor-in-chief of the Italian news outlet Fanpage, adds another layer of complexity to the narrative. While the government's statement has not been refuted publicly, the lack of independent verification leaves many unconvinced. The credibility of the government's assertions is further undermined by the fact that Paragon, the spyware's manufacturer, has suspended its relationship with Italy following the revelations of these alleged breaches. This decision by Paragon, a company presumably concerned with maintaining its reputation and avoiding legal repercussions, serves as a powerful indictment of the situation's gravity. The lack of transparency surrounding this affair is deeply troubling. The public deserves a full and transparent accounting of the surveillance operations, including a detailed explanation of the legal basis for their conduct, the specific individuals targeted, and the extent of the information collected. Without such transparency, the suspicions of abuse of power will only intensify. This scandal throws a harsh spotlight on the delicate balance between national security and fundamental rights. While the need to combat crime and protect national interests is undeniable, such efforts must always be conducted within a robust legal framework that safeguards individual liberties and prevents the potential for government overreach. The use of powerful surveillance technologies necessitates rigorous oversight and strict accountability mechanisms to prevent abuses. The ongoing investigation will be crucial in determining the extent of the alleged breaches and holding those responsible accountable. The international community will be watching closely, as this case raises critical questions about the responsible use of surveillance technology and the importance of safeguarding freedom of the press and the right to privacy in a democratic society. The stakes are high, and the outcome will have significant ramifications for Italy's reputation and its commitment to upholding the rule of law. Failure to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation will severely damage public trust and undermine the very foundations of democratic governance. The silence surrounding this matter only fuels anxieties, emphasizing the urgent need for complete transparency and accountability from the Italian government.